wanna be loved. Not many know how to handle me right. Oh, they think that they might, but they don't. Are you scared? Are you keeping it in? I'm not as far away as you think. You should know there's not much to it. I'm not asking a lot. I'll take you through it. This is how I wanna be loved. Call me by my real name. Love me like your first love. Watch me bend and break. Tell me that I'm still enough. Say something poetic. Be so cliche, it makes me laugh. I'll give and I'm pathetic. That's how I wanna be loved. Love. Don't be shy, don't stay hidden away. If you have something to say, say it first. Tell me why, or don't tell me at all. Even in the silence we talk. We don't need words. There's not much to it. I'm not asking a lot. I'll take you through it. This is how I wanna be loved. Call me by my real name. Love me like your first love. Watch me bend and break. Tell me that I'm still enough. Say something poetic. Be so cliche, it makes me laugh. I'll give it, I'm pathetic. 'Cause that's how I wanna be loved. How to love me, how to love me, how to love me, how to love. How to love me, no. How to love me, no. How to love me, no. You don't understand my ways. You only see the bright dark, but you never see the pain. Don't think you know me well, for goodness sake. You can't predict me like the weather, sunny with a chance of rain. Nobody cares, apparently life isn't fair. I didn't get to prepare, I was still getting educated. Not ashamed to say it, what I got given was rare. It was a walk in the dark, from within me I followed the spark. On the way I got hurt and confused, feelings abused, but that's how I make all this art. But I I don't like talking about it, I only like writing about it. Beneath all the syllables, that's where I'm really hiding. Cause mostly I'm absent-minded. My head and the rest of my body are disconnected. Feeling rejected, don't go expecting me to give you my full attention. You ain't getting no attention, no. Don't understand my ways. You only see the product, but you never see the pain. Don't think you know me well, for goodness sake. You can't predict me like the weather, sunny with the chance of rain. Nobody knows who I am under these clothes. Nobody wants to get close, it's not a joke. Asking you don't assume it's like touching the throne of a rose. I could cut you with my words if it seemed necessary, but calling you out should be secondary. Firstly and most urgently, you should know my loyalty ain't temporary. Don't make it a thought, make it a plan. Don't need to be big, doesn't need to be grand. Just something worth putting in the words underneath the chord, hidden in a verse. You know I don't know any better. I spell it out letter by letter. It's a different kind of clever. You don't understand my ways. You only see the product, but you never see the pain. Don't think you know me well, for goodness sake. You can't predict me like the weather, sunny with the chance of rain. Nobody cares. Understand my ways. You only see the product, but you never see the pain. Don't think you know me well, for goodness sake. For goodness sake. You can't predict me like the weather, sunny with the chance of rain. With the chance of rain. Nobody cares. Nobody cares.